In this video, I'll guide you through how to reset your Ionos password. Whether you've forgotten it completely or just want to create a new, more secure one, I'll walk you through every step so you can get back into your account quickly and safely. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Ionos Password Center. You can do this by typing Ionos Password Center into your search engine and clicking the official Ionos link, or by going through the Ionos website and looking for the password or login help section. Once you're on the Password Center page, you should see a form or field where you can start the reset process. On this page, you'll be asked to identify your account. Ionos gives you a few different options here. You can enter your customer ID if you have it handy, or you can use your registered email address. If you don't remember either of those, you can also enter one of the domains that's connected to your Ionos account. Just choose the option that's easiest for you and type it in carefully, making sure there are no typos. After you've entered your customer ID, email, or domain, look for the button to proceed, usually something like Next or Send Link, and click it. At this point, Ionos will check the information you provided, and if it matches an account, they'll send a password reset link to your contact email address. This is the email you used when you originally signed up, or the one you've set as your main contact email in your account settings. Now go to your email inbox and look for a message from Ionos about resetting your password. If you don't see it in your main inbox after a minute or two, be sure to check your spam or junk folder, just in case it ended up there. Sometimes it can take a few minutes to arrive, so give it a little time before trying again. When you find the email, open it and look for the reset link inside. This link is what connects you securely to the password reset page, so don't forward it to anyone and only use it on your own device or a device you trust. Click the link and it should open a new page where you can create a new password. On the password creation page, you'll usually need to enter your new password twice, once to create it and once to confirm it. Take a moment to choose something strong and unique. A good password typically combines upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters, and avoids easy to guess information like your name or simple sequences. Make sure you remember it or store it safely in a password manager. After you've entered your new password in both fields, confirm or save the changes. If everything was entered correctly, you should see a confirmation message letting you know your password has been successfully reset. From there, you can go back to the main Ionos login page and sign in with your customer details and your new password. That's all there is to it. By using the Ionos Password Center, identifying your account, opening the email they send, and following the link to create a new password, you can quickly restore access to your Ionos services whenever you need to.